Hello, everybody, and welcome to today's stream. Yeah, that's right. I just started streaming out of nowhere. That's what I did. I have a new mic. I don't know if you noticed. I have a new mic. I have a new one. It happened. That's a thing that occurred. Yes, that's right, guys. I have a new mic. I don't actually know how I sound. I should probably check on that. Not gonna lie. Just putting it out there. But yeah, I have a thing now. Like I have this really cool mic, and all this stuff, and I got a new PC. Or not PC, a new monitor. I think it's pretty cool. I think it's awesome. Possibly. I don't actually know. I don't know. But yeah, we got this stuff. We're going to be playing a game called The Farmer Was Replaced. And of course, with that having been said, I suppose we should get right into it. It's apparently like a programming game. I was playing a little bit before, and as you can see, we are on trees at this point. And I don't remember. Oh my god. Okay, I forgot almost how to do that. All right, so let's move this out of the way. Let me just get all this away from me and debug. Okay, cool. And program and get away from me. Get away from me. All right, now we're gonna go back here. So trees. That's where I last stepped off. I don't know. Should I start this game off from like the beginning or something? I don't know how entertaining this game actually is. But it's entertaining to me, so I don't know. Trees are a better way to get wood than bushes. Bushes suck. They give 5 wood each. Like bushes, they can be planted on grass or soil. Trees like to have some space, and planting them right next to each other will slow down their growth. The growing time is doubled for each tree that is on a tile, directly to the north, east, west, or south of it. So if you want to plant trees on every tile, they will take 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equals 16 times longer to grow. Wow, that's bad. Oh, the modulus operator can be used here. Well, yeah, I know that. Remember the modular contains remember. So that means if I wanted to... Okay, that's defining... Actually, can I define functions? Have I unlocked that yet? Is that a thing I have? I feel like I should have started this when I was at the beginning of my journey, but I'm like already actually proficient in Python programming, so it was kind of like whatever. I mean, this isn't exactly the same as Python, but like there's similarities. I do have some fun here. Utilities. I need to min-max and absolute randomly get my stuff. I need to min-max with my pumpkins. Damn. Well, carrots. All right, so here's what we're going to do. Here's what we're going to do, Mr. Drone. So we're going to make a program to make this work. So basically, since this is a even-odd thing, so for I in range. Actually, you know what? Let me think about this. One sec, let me think about this. Okay, get position Y and get position. Actually, no, I'm stupid. Well, actually, I don't know if this will work. 2 equals 0, and get position x1 minus 2 equals 0. Harvest plant entities dot tree. Then move else. Wait a minute. I forgot how else is working this. Whatever. Who cares? Not hard off. I know what I'm doing. I didn't forget anything. Else harvest. Just harvest, I guess. Actually, you know what? Else. Can I do elif? I forgot my progress in this game. Elif. just in case I don't have that unlocked. If get position, I'm sorry. Get position. I don't remember if I did this right. Is this right, actually? Oh, yeah. I forgot to do something. This is not the right order. Should have done this. So 1 second. One second. Also, I feel like I did this wrong. I might actually let me check something out. I don't know if the syntax is exactly like Python. 1 second. If statements do need colons, and I didn't add those. I'm an idiot. Let me see the tuples. Oh my god. Debug, expand functions, grass loops. Operators. Loops. No. So, okay, so it does need a colon. I'm an idiot. Okay. That's right here. 1 second. Okay. Let's move that there. I'm stupid. I forgot all this stuff. I forgot all of it. What about else? Do I even have else unlocked? Do I even have it lists? Okay, I don't have lists unlocked. I keep forgetting, dude. The thing about this that sucks is that I kind of forget, like, what I have unlocked and what I don't have unlocked. Oh, hey, shit. Oh, Will Grimes. Oh, shit. I didn't check chat. Will Grimes. This will be the only doping you are allotted at this time. Will, I want to kill you. Wait, wrong mic. I want to kill you, Will. I swear to God. I shouldn't say that. That's, like, not monetarily friendly. But my value! Dog, this can't be fun. What do you mean it can't be fun? This is fun! This is my fun of the day. I am having fun. You know what, Will? You know what? You want to say that to me? You know, I'm going to call you, Will, on the Discord. I'm gonna get you in a Discord chat right now. I'm going to get you, Will. You know what? You want to say that to me, huh, Will? Say it to my mic. Iron, fucking wrong guy. Damn it, wrong person. Why do I have other people named Will in my goddamn Discord? Ah, where are you, Will? I forgot what your damn Discord name was, you bastard. Ah, bad words, Florida. There you are. I'm calling you, boy. I'm calling you. I don't care if you're working. Oh my God, why is the call so weird? Why is it so spooky? Hello, Fine Time Roxy. Why did that sound like a thing? Also, does my mic sound good? Do I sound sexy? I mean, great.
Yeah, sound great.
I sound great? Oh, of course I sound great. I knew that. I didn't ask you for any reason. Hello, Funtime Roxy. Welcome to today's programming tutorial in the new day and age with the best programming language that is in the world. Farming language. And now I can't get in my game for some reason. Oh, now I'm back in. So, Will,
should not have tabbed out my dog.
Shut up.
I'm all right. How about you?
I'm doing all right, boy. Okay.
Finally got my, I bought some fans for my PC on Amazon, like 2 weeks ago. They finally got here.
Really? Oh, shit.
I got my fingers deep in there. Oh man, it felt so good to hear those bad boys start spinning.
You don't need to tell me that you got your fingers deep in it, like just.
Well, I did.
Well, you did, yeah. It's
I don't know how else I'm supposed to describe it.
I'm kind of disappointed in you, to be honest with you, but okay, it's kind of how it is, I guess. But as I was saying,
this is your livelihood speaking right now.
Dear God, I hate you. You're lucky I do these streams. I do these streams because I want you and other people who, like, the very, like, small minority of people that view these streams, I do it so that you guys can be happy, even though in reality I should just be back to doing the grind set on YouTube as I usually do, like, in the past when I grew this channel. Basically being a content farm, it works. But, I do...
You were a content farmer?
I basically was. I mean, if you look at my channel's videos initially, I kind of, like, made a bunch of vids. Like, I made, like, 27 videos a week, so...
Good grief.
Yeah, don't ask. It's the only way to be profitable these days. I mean, I didn't even make that much money because YouTube basically cock-blocked me twice. They kicked me out of the partner program one time, and then the other time, they
Didn't you get struck by, like, a frivolous...
Oh, yeah,
DMCA?
it was bullshit, but YouTube didn't care, and because I wasn't, like, big enough and I didn't have, like, a personality to me at the time, YouTube basically just sent me to the gulag. For 90 days, I made no money off of millions of views. And
Jesus, dude.
yeah, I should have made like $1,000, $2,000, and instead I made like $200. So that was like,
well, at least you made something, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir. I'm pumped up. Okay, but as I was saying, let me go back to my programming aficionado-ness. So I don't really remember whether or not... Do I even need to put a colon? Do I even have else's unlocked? How do I unlock else's? Do I have Elsa gate? Do I have Elsa? Leaderboard? No. Auto unlock? That would be cool. Costs? No. Dictionaries? Dictionaries?
Is programming, like, is it a language that exists, or is it language that exists only in the game?
Only in the game.
Like you mentioned Python. Is it only Python?
It's basically Python, except like a specialized version of it for the game is the best way I could describe it for you. I'm not even joking.
Yeah, that's
okay.
Pretty peculiar.
Oh, okay. Wow. Are you trying to say I suck? You call me a loser? Call me a loser.
No. I'm just trying to... I don't know anything about programming.
Stop insulting me. You're insulting my livelihood.
I don't know anything about programming.
It's not like... Okay, you're not insulting my livelihood. You're just insulting yourself. But, like, it's okay. What do you know about programming? Oh, one second.
I know that it's entirely logic-based, and I don't have the patience for it. I know that Noita, actually... the way that you build spells is a lot like how programming works.
Oh, wait, one second. I forgot to do this. Right, there we go. Okay, that's... Okay, damn, I forgot that I'm supposed to... Oh. Yeah. But yeah, Noita is what? What did you say about Noita? Say that
The way you use spells is quite similar to basic logic programming.
Yeah.
Like you have a trigger spell, or you have... stuff that you've never seen is like conditional spells that will only work if there's something else that another particular thing in the wand. But that's me rambling. It's too much noise to talk. I don't want to distract from your stream.
No, you're good. Let me just... God damn it. How do I do this? Wait. While x is less than 1,000, if get position modulus 2 equals 0, move north. Oh, my bad. Why'd I add this? Oh, wait, no, that's because it's the thing for the tree thing. Oh, yeah. Wait. Shouldn't it be planting trees, then? I'm sorry, I'm just looking at this from my perspective.
You're fine.
Sorry, my bad. Sorry, I'm just getting used to this mic. Alright.
Did you buy a compression mic or something?
No, I bought the HyperX, actually. Is that a compression mic?
You could probably throttle the compression. It probably has compression built in that you can mess with.
Oh yeah, of course. But yeah,
of course.
I shut up. I like this mic. It feels good. Like I touch it and I move it around, and I don't feel like it's gonna unplug. And it's just it makes me feel all nice inside instead of sad and depressed whenever I had to deal with my Blue Yeti Nano mic.
You had a Blue Yeti?
Well, yeah. Okay, don't insult.
I've never seen those for years, dude.
How fucking dare you? Those are industry standards, sir. How dare you?
Yep, industry standard. All right.
Okay, how do I make this X++? Like, is it okay? X plus 9. Okay, wow. I'm not trying to do that. God damn it! Right? No work. If get modulus Y, modulus 2. Yeah, you know what? Let me get rid of this. Okay, let's go here. Okay, let's make it this.
I do remember a few years ago reading about. Do you remember that game Yandere Simulator?
Oh no, yeah. Oh god.
I remember reading about how the guy that programmed it like really poorly, and it was entirely dependent on else if scripting.
You know,
Like everything was else ifs.
I mean, honestly, from what I remember, Undertale was similar to that too, from what I've been told. And I never really looked at Undertale's code, but that was in Python. Unlike
Except
Yandere.
Undertale could probably run on a SNES.
Okay, you know,
Or a Nintendo 64.
Valid point.
It's very basic. It's very graphically basic.
Why is this no work? Why no work? Why no go north? I put move north. Me no understand. Me confused. Me very confused. Brain no work. Brain confused. Brain confuzzled right now. Why? Why you stay in same spot? I put move north first, then harvest. You son of a gun. Okay, why you... Okay, it's...
Okay,
oh,
yeah,
wait.
I'll take a bit.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. But the position is a 2. Oh, no! Oh. I forgot it starts at the... Oh, my God. Oh, no. I'm so dumb. I am dumb. Me am dumb boy. Me am have small brain. Oh, no. Me am so
You're not dumb, bro.
Oh, my brain... So, okay, this didn't work how I thought it
It's a hard game, that's why.
No, it's
I think
not.
I'd rather play Elden Ring with
you don't
a level
understand.
1 club than play this game.
Will, listen, you don't understand what problem I have here. So easy, so simple. Me brain so small though. It no work. Oh,
Have you ever played Quadrilateral Cowboy?
1 second, let me just do something. No.
That's a game I feel. Its programming is very simple, but it has a really cute aesthetic, like
so
a cyberpunk
stupid.
aesthetic.
I've dug myself into a terrible hole. You know what? I'm just gonna make another friggin' thing to do something for me. Wrong.
Hey, you're doing it. It was doing something.
No, it wasn't. Wait, what was this? Oh, this is my other code. Don't look at that. All right. Wait, where's? I'm gonna just make a new right click.
Oh, I'm watching the stream. I forget. I'm delayed.
You're delayed. Code. Save your code. Oh wait, why did I do that? Okay, what's it?
I used to love beatboxing when I was in middle school.
Well, I
got pretty good at it too.
Well, it's because I'm a cool kid, so I can do it easy.
Sure, that's what. No, none of the cool kids thought that was cool.
Shut the hell up! I'm amazing. How dare you? Okay. As I was saying, back to this. All right. I'm amazing. I know. I know, kids. I know. Okay. So let's see. If get position y modulus 2 equals 1, move north. Okay, that's still not working. Let me think. 0.5. Can we modulus by decimals? Equals 0. Wait, all of these things could have that actually. Now that I think about it. Okay, yeah, that's not gonna work. Darn it. Okay, let me think about this. So, okay. Decimals don't work. I just realized that was a dumb idea. Why?
Good grief! You have to. Oh.
How dare you? Okay. So basically the idea right now is this. I want to put a tree on every single time. Like every time I have a tree right, I want it to be diagonal to another tree, like perpendicular, never parallel. We don't want a tree like
a grid, like a chessboard, right?
Yes, we don't want no tree. We don't want no tree on my turf on the X thing. Like we got a tree here, we want a tree here, but not here. And if we got a tree here, then we want the tree all the way up here, but not here. Because if the tree is here, where the carrots are, and there's a tree here on the grass next to the carrots, then those trees don't like each other.
When it when your little drone there reaches the top of the board, you somehow make it realize that it's at the top of the board
So it
and
just
do like a
automatically
180 and move to the right.
when it goes north, it automatically goes to the back again to restart it. However, if I wanted to, I do have code that actually, basically says like an infinite loop where if it sees something, it'll just like it'll just keep going and then it'll like restart everything. I actually timed this one in such a way so that it would basically when it saw when it gets to a certain point, it just waits and then it keeps going afterwards and then it goes for these things, right? And it's like a self-sustaining system. But when you're doing something like this with the trees, I have to first take into consideration how I can make them so that they're separated for something. That's where the module separator comes in.
You also have to clear that space, don't you?
Sort of. Basically, every time. That's why I was using the modulus. I haven't made it big enough yet to really help me on this. Because you have to realize the way the grid system works is this is not 1. This right here is 0. This is 0. This is 1. This is 2. And this is 3. So, if I want this to really work, I need to get the position Y, and I need to go modulus it. By the way, do you know what modulus does?
No.
Okay, so this right here, this little operator is basically kind of like a division. But instead of dividing a number, it basically says, okay, so I'm going to get the remainder of the division. And if the remainder is like 1 or 0, it's going to say, oh, this number is even. Oh, this number is odd. Like, and that's why I'm putting like 1 or 2, or sorry, 2 or some shit. Like, if I put 2, if it's an odd number, then it'll work. If it's not, then, so on and so forth. So get position Y is 2, or sorry, if it's modulus by 2 is equal to 0, then that means that you're going to move north. Actually, I shouldn't. Well, wait, no, you don't want that. Sorry, you're going to harvest, you're going to plant a tree, and then you're going to move north. Afterwards, else, if that is not the case, and the entity type is equal to carrots, then, 1 second, move north and so forth. There we go! Why am I dumb? Now, a bit of a problem, as you can see, is he's, like, taking this. Actually, I should probably make it different now that I think about it. There we go, now it works. The problem, as you can probably tell, is that they're not growing completely, so we gotta find a way to get this guy to shift. So let's say else. Let's see if, let's see this. So else, if, does elif work? Does elif work? Elif, let me think. If elif, get entity type, equals. Sorry, I gotta put parentheses between that because it's a function. This is actually really cool to learn programming because I've actually learned Python quite a bit. Actually, not to make functions. I don't think I've unlocked that in this game yet. But in programming, this is actually really good to understand the logic and the kind of problems that you might end up dealing with when you're in programming. The only issue, I guess, would be kind of syntax. Because obviously planting and harvesting and moving is not necessarily a thing. Those are not built-in functions in Python's library. But, they're still cool.
Yeah. I do like how it highlights what part of the script it's using at any given time.
Oh, yeah, that is actually kind of cool.
That's very cool.
But let me just show entities dot grass move north harvest. So let's see if this works now. Oh, I forgot to put this right here. Let me just see if this works. This should work. Oh, it does work. Okay. Else, sorry, elif. Elif is so much easier. Why did I not just have elifs in the first place? I'm stupid. My brain is the size of a walnut. I didn't realize I actually got else's yet. I forgot that I got those. Alright, so we have these here. So now we have elif. Elif, else if. I'm nesting these if statements like there's no tomorrow. I feel like I could actually just nest the loop. I might want to nest the loop to make this work. Oh, I could actually. That is what I did in the other one, isn't it? Literally? Like, where is that? Here it is, the main. Because I did end up nesting this and this. This is basically the world size. Because I wanted it to basically... Basically what I did here was I got the I made a variable for two things, for the soil and the turf, so I could just use it more easily than like having to always call the function itself. I could just call the letter. And also it's because I put 4i in range, 100,000, yeah. And then for every time.
Not to derail you.
Oh, my bad.
But Barotrauma is 50% off.
Oh!
So I'm gonna gift it to you.
Yes, I want to play that game. Oh my god, I wanted to play that game forever, dude. I love Barotrauma. I've seen the fucking videos. I want to play it. I want to stream it. We should play together. That's a great idea.
Yeah, that works.
Why don't you sound like you want to play with me? What? Don't just say it like that.
Excuse me, motherfucker. How many games have I bought you just to play with you?
Okay, that's
with them.
Okay,
play them with you.
That's a valid point.
Where are you? There you are.
He's pretty much my investor right now, guys. Like he's basically the guy who's like literally.
I'm his producer. I'm not your pimp. I'm your
Pimp, boy. No. Wait a minute.
There you go.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse you, sir. You are no pimp of mine. No. You are not a pimp, my good sir. Nuh-uh.
No, pimp would imply that I take your money.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
Yeah, that's not what a pimp is.
Wait a minute. Okay, sir, how dare you? I'm offended.
Can you get?
Okay, Elif.
Okay, yeah. I'll have this set up.
Entity type. Entity type.
There you go, big man.
Thank you so much. I'm gonna have to stream that now. Entities. I mean, don't get me wrong. Like, I need to also take like some time to like get a schedule situated, like an agenda, so that I can like actually take time to like record videos and like edit stuff and then make it and then like mass produce it so I get like a bunch of views. Because like, interesting fact, if the upload rate is not high enough on YouTube anymore, like for some reason they'll kill your videos, and it sucks. Because unless you're like literally top 1%, they basically look at like your metrics. It's not even that, it's like the metrics that matter. They don't care about whether or not you make
the algorithm.
Yeah, they don't care about it.
We're all just at the mercy of the algorithm.
Okay, what's entities dot actually grounds dot turf? Is it turf or soil? I think it's soil. Plant entities dot carrots.
Yeah, I know I would have trouble with programming just for the syntax, the way everything has to be ordered in such a certain way.
Wait, what was the function? There's too much indentation here. There's too much? Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. Oh, wait. Oh. Me am stupid again. Brain size walnut. Oh. Brain even smaller. Brain is shrinking fast.
Dinosaurs have tiny ass brains. They're cool as fuck.
My brain is the size of a walnut, my good sir. Move north. Sorry, move east. Why does no work? You have get position modulus 3 equals 0. Harvest plant entities.tree. Move north. Elif get entity type. If it equals carrots, then harvest plant carrots. Move north. Elif get else if get entity type is equal to entities.grass. Move north. Harvest. Should I switch that? I should probably switch that. I should make it harvest. Then move north, because my brain is the size of a walnut. I keep screwing this up because I'm dumb and I don't want to think. Thinking is hard, guys. That's why you need to get a degree, so that you can not think and instead just get a job.
Wait, you're trying to get an electrical engineering degree and you're doing programming?
Yeah, we program in electrical engineering all the time.
Do you?
How do you think programs are made in the first place? Like, you literally need to make a computer before you can do the program.
Separate degree.
Oh,
thought it was computer engineering. That's what I thought it was.
Software engineering? I could do that too.
Yeah, software engineering. That's what it is.
I could do it. I kind of like electrical. Actually, I'm kind of thinking of switching to mechanical engineering because it's so much easier, and I already have like a bunch of stuff prepared for it. Plus, like, it's just easier.
If you're good at math, good.
Yeah,
if you're good at math.
I'm good at math for either one.
My dad was a mechanical, still is a mechanical engineer, and he loves it. He worked at General Dynamics. For years.
For real? I thought
he built M1. Huh?
I thought he was in construction.
Well, he's a crane operator, but before that he was. Well, he's been a crane operator all his life, but when he after got out of college, he went into General Dynamics to build M1 Abrams.
Oh, that's freaking awesome. For real. Dude, he made
Yeah.
the tank. He made the big tank.
He made the big, heavy 1,500 horsepower tanks. Specifically, he worked on wiring harnesses.
Me am confused. Wiring harnesses. Oh, damn. Me am confuzzled right now because program no work. Program no want work. Program broke. If get position Y modulus 3 equals 0, harvest. And if that sounds like his, then get the end type is carrots. Okay, then do this. And if it's not that, then get the end type grass. Oh! Wait, okay, does that mean this is turf then? Am I dumb? Am I that dumb? No, I'm not. I'm not that dumb. I'm dumber than that. Okay, so... Okay, let me see. Get... Wait, do I have to put get ground type then? Wait, let me just check something out. Get... Ah, why am I so dumb? Oh. Oh.
You can have... There's two kinds of ground types, right?
Yes,
there's farmland and grass, right?
What's in yes, grounds dot soil. So now we're gonna see soil.
Yo, am I too loud?
No,
I just checked on the stream.
Okay, now it's working. I'm a genius. See what I mean, guys? My brain is so big. My brain is so big. So now let's move this east. Actually, I could probably do more if statements or like some other shit with the loop. Let me actually change something with the loop. Let me actually make it work better. For J in range, get world size. Get world size. One second, let me just. I don't know why I'm doing this to myself. Fuck. Okay, typos. I love typos. Oh, you can hear you can hear the typing. Okay, that sounded weird, but whatever. I need to play Bar Trauma. We need to play that game, okay? You understand me? You hear what I'm saying, man?
I'm starting it up right now. Do you want to play it after this?
I honestly do. I would love to. I want to play and have fun and make funny videos and then, like, get an editor to make those videos look even funnier. That's what I want.
Yeah, I was actually going to tell you that I was thinking of... I told you and Doom this year quite a bit ago. I wanted to edit those videos we did together, or streams.
You have it
into like one.
Yeah, totally. We could do that. I love that idea. Great idea. Did you learn how to edit, dude?
It can't be that hard. I can. That's me problem. So I'll work that out at some point.
Epic. I love this idea. Let me think about this. These trees don't grow very fast. I see the problem. The issue is that all these trees are in existence. Okay, so you know what that means? We got to make this even more complicated. So if get position Y modulus 3 is equal to 0, and get position X, because it's a coordinate thing, modulus 3 equals 0, then we'll do that. Uh-oh, that didn't work. Now everything's broken. Darn it! Okay. Mistakes happen. Mistakes occurred.
Mistakes have been made.
They have been made, I'll admit. So what's the problem here? So he's on 0, 1, 2, 3. So he's on X3 and... I'm sorry, Y3 and X1? Really shouldn't be that much of an issue here, to be honest with you. Oh, I see. I see. Okay. I see the problem here. Okay, 1 sec. Let me just do this like this. Get entities. It's just a lot of if statements. I mean, don't get me wrong. Like, I mean, I won't deny the fact I'm being kind of lazy. But it's just, you know, it's what it is sometimes. Sometimes this happens, and, you know, tree And we're just gonna, I'm sorry.
Wing-a-ding-a-ding-a-ding.
Yes, sir. Plant entities. Oh, sorry. Harvest. Harvest. Move.
Plant
These.
porpoises.
What?
Plant porpoises.
Why? This isn't
Plant
working.
porpoises.
That just make it an infinite loop. Oh. Not quite. Hey, I made it work. Now, as you can see, I have solved the tree conundrum. Sort of. I mean, honestly, there would have been a way better way of doing this if I had, like, a bigger space. But I don't. So, like, doesn't quite work. Wait a minute. Why is it not... Wait, why is it not working? Wait, why is it doing that? Why is it not planting... Oh, we don't have any seeds. I forgot to put trade stuff in. Darn it. Okay, you know what? That's okay. We're going to do one last thing. We're going to put trade... Trade what, you might ask? Trade carrot seeds? What was the thing again? Seeds? I forgot how to do that. Trade seeds. Seeds. Oh no. Oh, items. Yes, items. I remember now. Items. Yes, you have to do items dot carrot seed. And, of course, now it'll work. Yes, it does. Oh, I'm so smart. My brain is the size of a walnut. Very quickly realized. Nope, it worked.
A walnut, you say?
Very large walnut. Humongous, even.
See, mine's about the size of a coconut.
It's a big one. It's a big brain.
Big coconut.
Big coconut. There's an entire portion of the map that's not being touched upon, though. I could use that to my advantage. But yeah, I mean, in the case of Undertale, I guess I should bring up that there is a difference. I'll admit, it is a little... I would say, programming-wise, it's a lot harder, and the expectation is a lot higher when you're dealing with something like... Yandere Simulator. Like, I'm not gonna lie, 3D programming in general is something I would say it deserves a lot more respect in terms of, I guess you could say, how do I put this? Genuine, like, the situation that people need to realize with Yandere Simulator is that it is a really big undertaking for any dev to have to deal with a three-dimensional game. Like, if you're dealing with a visual novel, at that point it becomes a really big writing thing. Like, your writing has to do really well. That and your art. Art is also important. It's a huge deal. Like, you know, obviously the artists are very important. However, the writing and story of a visual novel is humongous. And obviously Yandere Simulator, in my opinion... The thing that has made it such an ambitious undertaking, or at the very least was before this guy completely shit the bucket and kind of failed, I guess, from what I've heard.
Yeah.
Basically, the issue was that he was kind of talking about like this story that was going to be written, combined with the fact that he was basically going to make this in a three-dimensional game. And don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that that's entirely like super difficult to deal with, because again, like you have to remember. I mean, you know, it depends how large the game world is even. But even then, like, that's a lot of resources that you're going to need, especially if you're, like, an indie dev, like a single person. I do want to say it right now. I actually didn't even think he was going to be able to do much in the first place. Like, I don't even think... It's just, like, it's hard for someone to do that by themselves. And, of course, that's where you have to start thinking about the code. Because when you actually start to think about it, maybe the reason he did it so badly, like, so poorly... Maybe he did it because he didn't think he wasn't going to have anyone else looking at the code, so why would that matter? Well, here's the issue.
It runs like shit.
Oh, yeah, it's bad code. It's just really poorly made code. It's code that just doesn't really work very well. And so you basically have a circumstance, like a situation where, I mean, it's like, it's as though he doesn't even know how to make a function, and it's fucking weird, because if you don't know what, like, let me show you this right now, actually, just to show you what I'm talking about. Making functions tutorial. I don't even know if I've unlocked this in this. If not, I'll just, like, actually open up a fucking thing, and I'll show you how to use it. But make functions. So this right here. So basically, actually, you know what? Let me just change this to an actual function name. It says even odd. Okay, there we go. So let's do this. Def. Presuming this is like Python. Presuming. Let's say we want to find odd and even numbers. We're literally just going to go and do... Okay, yeah, I haven't unlocked it yet. You know what? That means we're just going to change the fucking thing. I'm just show you what I'm talking about. One second. Let me just open Python. Wow. Okay. I guess I'm actually doing this. VS Code. Let me just show you this. Just a simple thing. Let me use my testing file. Oh, I even have it right here. Okay, this is a really easy thing, by the way. Not hard at all. This is like some of the simplest crap. I was just doing it because I wanted to have like some fun. I was just thinking about like something I was thinking. One second. How do I do this? Change window or game capture. Let me change this. Oh wow, I can actually. Does this actually work? No, it doesn't. Game capture does not work for that. Okay, I didn't know. I was actually
For
about
Python?
Yeah, I was about to say. I was about to be like, what? For real?
It probably doesn't recognize it. It probably is going by the name of the exe. It probably has like a list of exes that it can capture.
Here it is. Okay, so here's the thing. Here's this. Let's just get this right here. Okay, so basically in a program, don't mind the other stuff. This is just some other stuff I looked at, and it was like a while ago. I've been really busy IRL, so there's a lot of stuff. I have to update? No, I don't want to do that. I'm not going to do that. So basically, this right here is a function. This right here is the body of the function, kinda. Or sorry. This actually, you know, let's get rid of this. Let's actually show you a better one, like a more useful function. So basically, this is a really simple function called even odd that I made that just like finds even and odd numbers and then returns whether or not that number is even in a nice little way. So basically what you do is this. When you're in programming, you have something called the return statement. Now, returns are not something you'll use for much. You know, a lot of people I know that are like new to programming, some people that are like in computer science, like one in high school, I've met people who genuinely are like, wait, what's the print function difference with return and print? And like, it's actually really simple. Print is a function, return is not a function. So you're probably wondering, what does that mean? So when you print something, it prints it out in the terminal or wherever else that you've derelicted the path to. And it prints whatever you want it to, which could also include other functions. Like, let's say I have, let's do this, x equals string hello world. And then we just put like, oh, sorry, my bad, I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to open a REPL. Wrong thing. So let's say then we just print like len dot x. Why am I stupid? Why did I do that? Wait a minute. Did I screw this up?
Yeah, world.
I may have screwed this up. I'm a dumbass. Oh, okay. There it is. Oh my god. Why did I forget that? That's such an easy thing. Why am I dumb? Okay, print len x. So length of x. Oh, look at that. That's cool. So let's do it a little bit specific. X. 6 like this. Let's say I do that. So now right here you see this prints the length, right? This right here prints x 6, right? So this is actually pretty cool thing, right? But you're probably thinking, well, what's the use? So let's talk about some use cases here. Obviously, if we're making a function of this number is even, this number is odd, you know, you can see this right here, this function right here. But let's say we wanted to make a function. Let's say we want to make like a secret code or some shit where like if you put in, let's say you're playing a game and you wanted to make a little secret for people if they understood what it was. And let's say I wrote a poem where every 6th letter within it was basically, let me think, would lead up to a sentence or a code word. Probably a code word, that'd be easier. Oh, actually, no, I don't think I have the time to make that. Well, I could do it. I'm not going to waste that. You know, I'm going back to the game. I'm not going to waste the stream to do that. But basically, the thing that could be cool is that when you have the length of a certain thing, let's actually get rid of this because you don't need the print function to do that. Length of x. Let's assume x was an actual piece of dialogue. And basically, what you could do there is you could store the value of specific portions of x. Like, because right here, for example, I don't need to make it print x, then like like nothing here. I could put 3 to 6, and it doesn't count 6, but it does count 3. Everything, the way it works in a list when you're trying to like show, or not a list, but like a substring, basically a substring, is you have like, it includes the start, but does not include the thing. It goes up to 3 to 5, basically. So what you're going to see right now is, by the way, you're not going to see this because I didn't put the print command, just to let you guys know. I didn't use the print function, so it doesn't show it in the terminal. But I did use print here, and then you have x3. It includes 3, which is, because you're counting from 0, it's 1, 2, 3. So it has the L, and then, of course, 6, and then there's like 5. So there's 4, 5, and then 6 right here. It doesn't include 6, so it just has L and O. This can be pretty good for game design. Like, if you're trying to make like little secret stuff, like you can basically hide secrets within your game, and that could be pretty cool. Let me just go back to the game. Let me switch my thing. I gotta get back to game capture. Here we go. And
Things like RPG Maker very clearly exist for a reason.
Oh yeah, they make
Programming
things so
this
much
time
easier.
consuming.
Oh yeah, it can be super time consuming, but it's also very useful. I mean, don't get me wrong. Honestly, I really should go into RPG Maker because I know there's a bunch of games I could make super easy, super fast, and people would really like them.
Super quickly.
Huh? Say that again?
Super quickly.
Oh yeah, compared to like actually programming them from like scratch, I would say so. But I would also say, like, I mean, if you want to go to like a game engine like Godot or just using RenPy, like a library that has like a predisposition like Pygame, things like that. I will say this much: like programming from scratch, the thing that's a plus about it is it allows you to do to have like a lot more freedom than you would have in like RPG Maker. Because RPG Maker, don't get me wrong.
Oh, absolutely. It's limited.
Mm-hmm.
That's the biggest downside of it, I think.
Yeah. But there's a lot of, as I was saying, functions are like probably the strongest thing that you can use in let me delete that. Probably the strongest thing you can use in not just Python, but any programming language, because you're basically making pre-written code for yourself, which is a huge deal. Huge deal. I think that's craziness, you know what I mean? Because you just have pre-written code. You have pre-written code that you can call upon at any given time, really. Like, if you've defined it and, like, done it properly. And that's super cool, because you could basically make it, do stuff like odd and even. Like, you can just call it every time. You go odd, even, if, odd, even, and then you put the value inside of it. Whatever that value may be, it'll go through, cycle through as the value, like the number. And it'll work. Or if you want to, like, put, like, a certain string or, like, a game over, like, these functions are a big deal. They help a lot, so... I don't know, I'm talking too much. But Borrow Trauma, I need to play that game. Oh my god. I need to play that game. I need to have fun on stream with that game. Let me think about this. So, move north, move
I'm
east.
re-familiarizing myself with the controls because it's been a long time since I played it.
It's been a long time. It's been a long time. He hasn't played in a long time. Y'all. See if I can change that. Okay, that works. Let me think about this. Let me do something.
No way there's a character in here named Tawanda Bushman.
Okay. Tawanda Bushman. That sounds like an AI name. Tawanda Bushman. Oh my god. Okay. See if this will actually work. Okay, I think this will work. Oh shit, my family calling. 1 second, I'll be right back.
Yeah, for sure. How you doing, chat?
BRB, I'll be right back.
For sure. No mission, no problem.
Sorry, I was just putting one last piece of code so it goes and does its thing while I'm gone. And it's not working. God damn it.
Go. Shh. There's something back there. Josh.
Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. Alright.
Ain't no issue.
Man, my parents got mad at me because I took like 4 pieces of candy out of like a bag of like 250 plus pieces of candy. They were like, that's for kids. And you know what I said? I said, let them starve. Let them starve. Unless they're working in my factories.
Let them starve, dog.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Agreed. Screw them kids. Send them to the prison.
Fuck those kids, bro.
Hey, no cursing. We're family friendly. Okay. Oh my god. I don't know what I'm saying. Does this fix it? Let me check. Get rid of that. Okay. Okay.
What would be a good nautical themed last name?
Serpent Man. I don't know. Serpent Man. I don't know. Ooh, I got it. Sailor Randy.
No, I need a last name.
Oh, Sailor. Seaman. You know, I got it. Seaman.
Willie Seaman.
Yeah.
What's a good name for a mechanic and an engineer? Oh, I know.
Oh, yeah. Willie Seaman. Oh yeah,
Willie Seaman.
great name. I love that name.
Engineer is going to be Del Conacher, like it should be.
Mm-hmm. Beautiful. Oh, now it's working. Now the code is somewhat working. Alright.
You got any cats with you?
I do have a cat, actually, believe it or not.
Oh man, mine's right here. He's being a little shithead is what he's doing. Hey, quit that!
Damn. You really roasting Fluffy, huh?
His name isn't Fluffy.
Okay, my bad. So is this a self-sustaining system is the real question. Kind of. It is? Am I making wood? Am I getting wood? I am getting wood. Am I getting carrots?
No carrots, no profit.
No profit, yeah, that's right. See, he knows it.
Mhm.
I can just trade item. Trade items. Dot carrot seed. Give me that seed.
I know what that
I
means.
love seed. Okay, there we go. Good.
Willie Wheelhouse. There. Did you also watch those videos by Kraken 2 about this game about barrow trauma?
I don't know. I may have.
That's the way I got introduced to this game. With him and like 5 of his buddies role playing.
That worked.
God, I love those videos.
I am such... You know what? I should watch those videos then. I'm such a lazy bastard. Like, rather than actually putting in the proper code to just make it to solve these issues, I'm being a lazy bum, and I'm making it so that it has to do all of this. So that time-wise... Oh, I see what I fucked up on. Damn it. I can't actually do that. Shit. That doesn't even work. My laziness doesn't even work. Fuck. I'm trying to cheese the system. It's not even really working either. Son of a gun. Shit.
Don't do that. Don't do none of that cheesing.
Well, you know what? Cheesing the system is a programmer's everything, okay? A lazy programmer, anyway.
Were it so cheesy.
I don't know. Bruh. This might actually work, now that I think about it. Makes a stairway. Or it did. Oh, now I'm confused. Does this solve it? Maybe not. Ugh, darn it. This sort of worked, but it also sort of didn't. I might want to play Bar Trauma now. I'm going to end this stream. We're going to play Bar Trauma. That's what we're going to do. Because we're bros. You hear what I said?
I've got a save. I didn't. Yeah, I hear you.
Yes, sir.
I've got a save going. I do not know how to invite you.
I don't know how to... I don't know either. You don't hear my smoothie, do you?
No.
I feel like everyone can hear my smoothie except for Discord. They got like a little thing going on there. Offer a trade. How do you offer a trade? What does that mean?
Offer a trade? Are you talking about Steam?
Yeah, that's a thing?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's like the
You didn't hear that. Rarted. But that's a thing. Like, what does it do? Can I trade games? Can I get games, bro?
You could trade items. Like,
Oh.
you ever play TF2?
Oh yeah.
So it's like the items and.
So I can trade hats?
Yeah, dude. You didn't know about that?
Yeah. Well, I didn't know about.
That's been a thing for like literally 10 years.
I'm kind of disappointed Steam doesn't let me like sell games and shit. Like if I own Destiny 2, I want to be able to sell it for the highest bidder.
Have you ever played it?
Not a long time.
Man, I had Destiny 1 and played it for maybe an hour.
Wow.
And we didn't have Wi-Fi at the time, so I had to play it at my grandparents' house. And then I never played it ever again.
Why do you need internet for that shit?
Because it's a multiplayer game.
I know, but
even though I never played it with other people, I always just played by myself.
I'm about to say, like,
I'm still that way.
I feel like that game should have been more solo.
Yeah. I mean, when I before I go into online,
I guess it's true.
Get my bearings as it is.
Where the hell is the? Why am I not able to accept your thing? Where? Let me see this. God damn it. I see you, but I don't. Where's the gift?
Go to notifications.
I know what I'm
notifications
doing.
Right next to your name.
One new gift. I see it. I know what I'm doing. I knew what I was doing. I knew what I was doing, right, chat? You know I knew what I was doing, right, chat?
He knows what he's doing, chat.
Of course I do. How would I not know?
I wonder if I can make. Oh, here we go. I can host a server. Server name. What would it be? What could it be? I split the C's. There you go. Password is B-O-B.
Why would you say that while we're streaming?
Who else has barotrauma here?
Gamers, unite. If you have barotrauma, roast this man.
If you have barotrauma, I'm inviting you to our
secret game.
We're all welcome to play. I'm maxing out the players. 14, 15 players.
We're maxing out our goon
now.
Oh, what? I didn't say nothing.
We're player maxing. If you're welcome to join us.
Let me end the stream and like start a new one.
What should the